Look here, some grass. Pew! I kick the grass because I'm a gangster, but you know I like to party as well. Pop smoke. So what do you guys think about the Drake versus Kendrick beef right now? To be honest, I have no idea what's going on. I just know that I think Drake and J. Cole said something in first-person shooter, and then Kendrick said something about first-person shooter, and then Drake said something about, yeah, whatever, you know. In my opinion, it's childish. I mean, you're grown adults. Why are you doing this? To be, yeah, I'm sure they have some beef. They don't like each other. And then they use that beef to make money. Because, you know, if you just release a normal song, it's like, okay, whatever, he just released a song. Yeah, I like that artist, but it's a normal song. I'm not gonna listen to it. And you know, but then, however, you release a diss track of the biggest current rapper, Drake, that is, Kendrick. And that gives you more listeners, because people are like, whoa, Kendrick dissed Drake, and they all gotta be like, whoa, I gotta see that. So then they all listen to his song. Even if you're not Kendrick fans, you start listening to that song, and then you get a bunch of listeners and a bunch of streams and everything, and then Drake can respond, and everyone's like, oh my god, Drake just answered. And even if you don't like Drake, you might listen to it and say, hey, that was a pretty good comeback, or the other way around. And then, you know, it goes back and forth. So I can see why they do it, instead of just calling him up and saying, hey, I got this beef with you, let's solve it, or I hate you, let's not talk to each other. Look at the bus. The bus is a cheat code. The wheelbase is so wide, so it's basically pretty much unaffected by the speed bumps. It can just go straight over it without slowing down. I wish I was like that. Can the bus do this? I doubt it. I highly doubt it. I did behave. I did some very good behaving. There was nothing illegal about that maneuver whatsoever. However, I don't like this weather. It doesn't look good. It does not look good. Now the autism is starting to kick in. Let's go to... wait. What should I do? Too many options. I'm not gonna go right. I've gone there too much. I'm gonna go straight forward and see where this takes me. I actually know where it takes me. I just said that because it's fun to say random things sometimes. I'm gonna catch you. Post-production stages. That's what us smart people call editing. It's time for me to take a right turn. There's nothing you can do about it. Hey look, the port is also turning here. I'm a fast boy. it again. No, I can't. It was a one-of-a-kind voice. That was kind of close, I guess, but still not close enough. I had something in my eye. Yeah. There, it's gone. Reduced to atoms. Listen to this.